Dear children, today we are going to solve the third problem in exercise 8.1. The third sum is, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Here sin A is given 3 by 4. So solution, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So you know very well sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Now here I have taken a triangle ABC. Now B is right angle 90 degree, opposite to B is hypotenuse. Now I want sine of angle A. So opposite to A is BC and adjacent side is AB. Here sine is 3 by 4. That means BC by AC is 3 by 4. So now we don't know what is AB. Because we have to find cos A and tan A, we need to find adjacent side. So now, since it is a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that in right angle triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, AC square is given as 4 square. So, 4 square is equal to AB square plus 3 square. 3 is nothing but BC. Now, 4 square is 16 minus 3 square I am bringing this side, so it becomes minus 9 is equal to AB square. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 is equal to AB square. So I have just written AB square is equal to 7. When AB square is equal to 7, what is AB? Plus or minus root 7. You know very well, so there is no square root of 7 you cannot find. So plus or minus root 7 means AB is equal to root 7 because side cannot be a negative value. Now what is cos A? Cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So root 7 by 4. Now what is tan A? Tan A is BC by AB, that is 3 by root 7. So we have got cos A and tan A. The next question is, fourth one, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. Same way, here first I have taken 15 cot A is equal to 8. So what is cot A? Cot A is nothing but 8 by 15. You know very well, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. So what will be cot? Adjacent by opposite. So now I have taken a triangle. I want cot A. So I have taken a triangle ABC. B is right angled. And here AB is 8 because it is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is 8. So for A, this is the adjacent side and BC is the opposite side. So 8 and here 15. I don't know what is hypotenuse. I have to find hypotenuse because I have to find sin A and secant A. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Secant A is has a reciprocal of cos. So I should find what is hypotenuse. So now, as we have done before, in right angle triangle ABC, you know very well by Pythagoras theorem, it is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. So AC square is nothing but 64 plus 225. Now AC square is equal to 289. AC is equal to plus or minus 289, that is nothing but plus or minus 17. Now I know very well I should not take negative value for the side, so I am writing AC is equal to 17. So sin A is equal to BC by AC, that is 15 by 17. Secant A is 1 by cos A. What is that 1 by cos A? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So it becomes AC by AB, that is nothing but 17 by 8. The next question is, given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. So first one, secant, it is given as secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Now you know very well secant theta is equal to 13 by 12 means it is 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So secant theta will be hypotenuse by adjacent. So now I have taken a triangle ABC. So I have taken as theta. Now secant theta, if A is theta, adjacent will be 12 and hypotenuse will be 13. Opposite we don't know. So we have to find out. So now AC by AB is equal to 30. AC by AB is 13 by 12. So when I take in right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So now what is AC now? 13 square. 13 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square. So now you know 13 square is nothing but 169. 169 is equal to 144 plus BC square. So I am bringing 144 to the other side. So I get 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square. Now 169 minus 144 is nothing but 25. So 25 is equal to BC square. Now I have taken BC square to the other side. So I get BC square is equal to 25. BC is nothing but plus or minus 25. So BC is plus or minus 5. That is BC is equal to 5. We should not take the negative side. So now sin theta is equal to BC by AC. That is opposite by hypotenuse. That is 5 by 30. Cos theta is equal to AB by AC. That is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So we have got sin theta and cos theta. Then we have to find other ratios also. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side BC by AB, that is 5 by 12. Now cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So hypotenuse by opposite. AC by BC, that is 13 by 5. Or it is 1 by sin theta, 1 by 5 by 13, that is 13 by 5. Anyway you can write. Next is cot theta. Cot theta is AB by BC, that is adjacent side by opposite side. So 12 by 5. Or it is 1 by tan theta, that is 1 by 5 by 12, that is nothing but 12 by 5. Thank you.